Hey guys, Jared back again. Today we're going to dig into the upcoming Balance Athletica launch, the Waves collection. But first I just want to make a quick note. I am currently wearing gear from their last launch, which is the Summit collection, and it's still available on their website, so you can go check it out. The release date for the Waves collection is still TBD, but the goal is end of April. So let's dig in. The first thing I noticed when I opened the box from Balance Athletica was how unique these color schemes are. They're very beachy, neutral, and earthy. The first colors we're gonna look at are the greens. This is the Saltwater Prospect Tee. Watch out, Marvel. We have the Deep Sea Select Jogger. The Californica Prospect Tee. This is in the pink tonals. And the Nightshade Select Joggers. Then in the browns, we have the Shore Prospect Tee. And we have the Drift Select Joggers. Then we have the Cloud Prospect Tee. So let's take a closer look. So real quick, one thing to note, I'm dealing with a bulging disc in my back. So if you see me looking like the Leaning Tower of Pisa, that's why. So I'm just staying positive and powering through it. But I'm wearing the green tonals now, and I want to dig into what I really love about it. The shirt is very form-fitting. I wear a large. I love that it accentuates the guns. Also, you can see that it has a seam here, which is very waist trimming. And the material is super premium. The one thing I would say is after you wash it, do not put it in the dryer. It will shrink, so hang dry it. The pants, these are so comfortable. These joggers are the best joggers I've ever worn out of any company's joggers. I highly recommend them. I'm wearing a medium in the joggers. I like my pants to be a little tighter in the quads, so that's why I wear the medium, and they fit extremely well, very comfortable. There's room in the waist, so it's not too tight, so highly recommend. All right, so I'm in the pink tonals now, and what I love about this is the fabric. It's so premium, it's so soft, it's so movable, so much room for activities in this shirt and pants. The pants, I love how premium and soft they are. Really, you know, the pockets are perfect. Even the detail down to the tip of the, I don't know what these guys are called, tassels. But everything that they do is top-notch detail. All right, now I'm in the brown tonals. One of the things I love about Balance Athletica is not only does it look great, but it makes you feel great. And I know this sounds a little weird, but when you put on clothing, it can impact your mood, it can impact your confidence, and it can give you the ability to interact with others. So I know when I wear Balance Athletica, I'm gonna have the confidence to tackle anything that comes my way. Last but not least, one of the best things about this launch is the Cloud Tee because it goes with everything. Ladies, I don't want you to think I forgot about you, so here's some highlights of the women's pieces from the Waves collection. So this is Alex, my fiance.
Hi.
She's been a supporter of Balance since day one in the OG Outlander collection. She's wearing Aura 2.0 leggings and Journey bra. And she's gonna talk about the benefits from a female perspective because it's the same materials as the Waves collection. So take it away.
So like Jared stated, I am wearing the leggings OG pant from the Aura 2.0 launch. They actually still have this color still available on their website. It's called Intuition. If you guys want to go grab them, you should. They're super comfortable. The material is buttery soft, like buttery soft, I'm not lying. There also are a 7/8 length, which is amazing for short people like me. I am 5'1" and have a very hard time finding leggings that stop literally right here at the ankle. So these are great leggings for shorter humans, and honestly tall people too, because they'll just come up a little bit higher. Also, another thing that I love about these pants is that they have a tapered waist and they're seamless up here. So they come in here to give you a little bit more of a shape. I don't really have much hips, but I feel like when I wear these, I feel a little bit more hippie and I love it. Also, they have this really nice inseam that makes your peach look a lot better and a lot bigger, which is great. They are squat proof also, of course. And another thing that I noticed about these pants is that even when you are on your cycle and you're feeling a little bloated, because they are compressive, they hide everything and really suck you in nice, which is great. The bras, this is the Journey bra. They do not have this anymore on their website, but they do have a couple other bras on there from a couple other collections that you should check out. I wear small in all their bras. I am a little bit chesty, but I am still really small around here. Sometimes, not gonna lie, this part on me can be a little... Oh my God, are you okay? She has a hairball.
Get it, girl.
Okay, we're good. So this can be a little bit big on me in the smalls, but I make it work because the extra small is just too tight. But I would definitely recommend on the bras sticking with your natural size. You don't have to size up or down unless they tell you to. I know this collection, they said that the bra was running a little bit big, so maybe look into sizing down in the Waves collection bra. But yeah, definitely grab a pair of the OG pants. The colors that are coming out are incredible. Neutral tones are everything. Pink tones, blue tones. Just give me one of each. Thanks.
So there you go, from a lady's perspective, how awesome the new Waves collection is going to be. One of the most incredible characteristics about Balance's pieces is you can mix and match them with other collections. The versatility of this range makes it really simple to transform these pieces into lifestyle outfits as well. I've been getting a lot of questions on Instagram about the upcoming Waves release, and so my lovely fiance slash assistant.
I'm your assistant now?
Yes, you are.
Nah.
Yes. So
no.
Yes, you're hired. So she's gonna ask the questions, I'm gonna provide the answers.
Okay, so the first question was, what size are you and what are your measurements?
So I wear a large in the shirts, and I'm a 42 regular in a suit jacket, and in the joggers and the shorts I wear a medium, and I am a 32 waist, 31 length.
Would you say the men's collection is true to size?
Yes, it is.
What do the dark blue joggers look like with the Aura collection blue tie-dye tee?
So as you can see, there really are no dark blue joggers. They are more of an emerald color. This is deep sea, and this is the blue Aura shirt. And as you can see, unfortunately, they just do not mesh well together.
How do the new Prospect tees compare to the Vital tees?
So here's the Vital tee. It is a very silky, light material. Prospect tee is more of a thicker, heavier cotton. So I like this tee, the Prospect tee, for more of a workout type of shirt. And I wear the Prospect tee for just more kicking around and dressing up.
What about Marvel? We don't scratch the couch.
No kitty.
What about the Harmony tie-dye tee with the new maroon joggers?
Again, just to me, as you can see in Nightshade, there's just too many colors going on in this shirt to really mesh well with that color. But, oh kitty, you're on the shirt. The
Marvel.
This Aura tie-dye shirt in the pinkish purple
That's
meshes.
a good outfit.
Yeah, this is perfect. I'm probably gonna wear this tomorrow.
Would you recommend working out in the joggers, or you think they're just for leisure?
I think you can definitely work out in the joggers. I think depending on the workout, you might want to wear the shorts instead. If you're just lifting, joggers perfect. If you're going for a walk, doing anything like that. If you are doing a very sweaty workout, if you're doing a HIIT session, doing a lot of cardio, I would probably recommend shorts because these might get a little weighed down, but yes, you can still wear them.
What is your favorite color in the new Waves collection?
I'm a big fan of greens. Personally, it's my favorite color, and the deep sea joggers are fantastic. These things are so comfortable, and this color is fire.
What is your favorite item out of the new collection?
Again, the joggers. I love joggers. I will wear them all day, every day. I work in them. I do work out in them depending on the workout, and yeah, the joggers.
That's it.
That's it. Wait, one more thing. Balance is donating up to $30,000 from this launch to Feeding America. That's up to 300,000 meals to families in need. So please, every purchase you make makes a difference. I hope you enjoyed my try-on haul. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to message me. And like I always say, remember to smile. Today is a great day.